In today's tutorial, we are building a journey to add GitHub issues for new Airtable records. For this, let's select Airtable as our trigger. Now, let's choose new record as our trigger event. Now I'll be selecting an existing connection and let's click on link account to establish the connection. Now, as per the process, we have to add table specific data. For app ID, let's click on the link in the description and select the product. Copy the app ID from the URL. Now we have to add table name using Airtable. To get record URL, right-click on any cell and copy record URL. Then let's remove the unnecessary part. Now in steps, we have to add new issue in GitHub. For that, let's select GitHub. Okay. Now let's choose create issue as action. Let us select again existing connection and link account to establish the connection. Then we choose the right repository, add title using Airtable app data. Now we have to select the right assignee and label. Okay. Now add body using Airtable app data. That's it. We are ready with our journey. Let me just save changes and start the journey. Now, we have to check the output. So go to Airtable and let me add a record. Okay. After which, let's check the execution. So let me go back to our journey page. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now, let's go to GitHub and let me refresh the page. As you can see, a new issue has been added as per the Airtable record. In this way, we can build an automation journey to add GitHub issues for new Airtable record. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.